Hey there, folks! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about a common issue with the Kia Soul, the steering column making a clicking noise. Don't worry, we've got you covered. You see, the problem is with the steering dampener in the electrical motor. To fix it, you'll need to remove the steering wheel covers and the lower panel, which is attached with 2 Phillips screws. Once that's done, you'll see 2 10mm bolts that need to be removed. After that, you'll need to separate the 2 studs. Now slide out the motor and install the new one. Reinstall the motor and put the covers back on. And voila! Your Kia Soul's steering column should be clicking noise-free. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive tips and tricks. Until next time, happy driving!